This is Coinbase on the monthly chart, and a couple of years ago it IPO'd at about 380. This was April of 2021, and since then it's just collapsed. However, it did hit a bottom, and in that process it formed an inverted head and shoulder. And if you go to the daily chart, you actually had multiple times to get long the stock. This is where Kathy Wood loaded up, and she was the deciding factor in the daily buyers level at $50 being supported. And then price shot up from there, hitting the monthly buyers level at 120. Rightfully so, price pulled back. And then you had this accumulation phase, the smart money. And so you had another opportunity to get long at the daily buyers level at $78. But don't worry, Coinbase is going to give you multiple opportunities to get long. Let's get into the reasons why. So as we know, the SEC has been holding up in the US a Bitcoin spot ETF for the past year or two. However, with BlackRock getting into the mix, they were like 475 to 1 wins to losses in getting applications approved. So with BlackRock getting into the mix, all these applications getting approved is inevitable. But this is why I say Coinbase is the real winner of the Bitcoin ETF race. So after receiving applications, the SEC wasted no time in reviewing them and promptly sent them back for revisions, deeming them inadequate. The main issue it identified was a lack of clarity on how the firms would minimize fraud and market manipulation, a key concern for the agency. In response to the SEC feedback, each of the 6 firms expeditiously refiled the application and tapped Coinbase as the partner for a shared surveillance agreement. By adding measures to monitor potential market manipulation, Coinbase will play a crucial role in enhancing market integrity and providing the necessary oversight asked for by the government. Coinbase's integral role in these applications is a testament to its position as a leader in the crypto industry, but the true opportunity for Coinbase lies not only in its surveillance capabilities but also in the additional service it will provide to the proposed fund issuers. According to Bloomberg, Coinbase is expected to perform various functions for these firms, including custodial services and acting as a trading platform to buy and sell Bitcoin. In fact, both ARK Invest and BlackRock have tapped Coinbase for their custodial services. BlackRock explicitly states in its SEC filing that it will use Coinbase Prime as product tailored for institutional investors as a platform for its Bitcoin transactions. Now, transaction fees and custodial services have historically contributed around 10% of Coinbase's quarterly revenue, but now that the platform might serve as custodial and a brokerage with some of the biggest names on Wall Street, introduction of the Bitcoin ETFs could significantly boost the profits. Adding to the profitability of custodial services, Coinbase is in line to also benefit from transaction fees. A unique feature of this new spot ETF application is that the firms will be able to buy and sell Bitcoin on a daily basis, a feature not currently present with the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. With this added functionality, firms like BlackRock will be conducting a multitude of large transactions on a daily basis to help the ETF track Bitcoin's price more accurately, potentially adding a significant boost to Coinbase's revenue. All right, so getting back to the charts, and let's zoom out. To the weekly chart. You got some headwinds above current price. Again, monthly sellers level at 120. You have what was support now going to be resistance at 160. You have price trading in a range sideways. So 250 is another level of interest. And then $400, which is near the all-time highs. Now, yes, these are headwinds, but these headwinds are targets as well. Again, scrolling back to the daily chart. It's kind of nice when all the moving averages are drifting higher. All these moving averages are going to serve as dynamic support. And the 200-day moving average, which is in yellow, is going to serve as if price is above it, a secular bull market. So again, these levels, these headwinds that I denoted, again, those become targets. And what you want to do is, once a target is breached and closed upon, and you get a breakout, typically you get a retest, that's where you want to load up. Kind of like what we've seen here, right? Breakout, retest, load. Breakout, retest, right? So again, Coinbase, the real winner, and Coinbase welcomes any and everyone who wants a Bitcoin spot ETF. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.